In this video, we will find the highest common factor of numbers using prime factorization. In the first example, we need to find the HCF or the highest common factor of 4 and 8. We will start by making factor tree for 4. 4 is the product of 2 and 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Since we have reached prime numbers, we will not go any further. Now let's draw a factor tree for 8. Since 8 is an even number, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So we will copy 2 as it is and we will find the prime factors of 4. 2 times 2 is 4. You will copy multiplication sign as it is. 8 is the product of 2 times 2 times 2 and 4 is a product of 2 and 2. Let's list 4 and 8 as the product of prime factors. 4 is equals to 2 times 2 and 8 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2. Now find the common factors. Here you can see that 2 is common in both of them. 2 is also common. The HCF of 4 and 8 is 2 times 2 is equals to 4. HCF is 4. In the next example, we have to find HCF of 30 and 36. Express 30 as a product of prime factors using factor tree. So we will start making the tree. 30 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 times 15 is 30. 2 is a prime number. We will copy it as it is, but we will express 15 into product of numbers. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is also a prime number. Since you've reached all the prime numbers, we will stop here. We will not continue any further, right? Let's express 36 as a product of prime factors. 36 is an even number. 2 times 18 is 36. 2 is a prime number, so you will copy it as it is. Copy the multiplication sign and express 18 as a product of numbers. 18 is divisible by 2. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 is a prime number. Copy multiplication sign. 2 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number. You can express 9 as a product of 3 and 3. So 36 can be expressed as a product of prime factors as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now let's list it. 30 is equals to 2 times 3 times 5 and 36 is equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Let's find the common factors. Here we have 2 and then we have 3. So the HCF is 2 times 3 is equals to 6. The highest common factor of 30 and 36 is 6. Let's look at another example. In this example, you need to find the HCF of 12, 15, and 21. Express 12 as a product of prime factors using the factor tree. 12 is divisible by 2. Why? Because 12 is an even number. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 is a prime number. You will copy 2 as it is, copy the multiplication sign, and express 6 as the product of numbers. So 6 is equals to 2 times 3. 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, and 3 is a prime number. So you will stop here. Next, express 15 as the product of prime factors. 3 times 5 is 15. And then we have 21. 21 is equals to 3 times 7. 12 is equals to 2 times 2 times 3. 15 is equals to 3 times 5. And 21 is equals to 3 times 7. Here the common number is the number 3, right? So the HCF is equals to 3.